In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear hatch lift supports on your Volvo XC60 located on the rear hatch. Now with the rear hatch lifted, you're going to want to use a small pocket screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. Now before you tackle removing this here, you want to do one of two things. Either use a post of some sort, a broom handle, or just have a buddy help you hold up the rear hatch when you're going to do this here, because you don't want this to come down, catch your hands, or bonk you in the head. Now on the end here, there's going to be a little C-clip that locks this onto the post. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver and come in behind this little spring clip and pry it out. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses. If yours is like ours, you got rust nuggets falling off of it, you don't want that in your eyes. Usually these pop right out. There we go. At this point here, we should be able to lift up gently on the hatch and pull this out in a way. Now ours is rusted here. Normally you can pop this off and then just go to the bottom and do the same. You want to pop off that clip and then just replace the unit. We're going to go ahead and remove the clip on the bottom. And normally you can just pop these out a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and remove ours completely. And let's go ahead and bump this off, just like so. Now at least we can pivot this. There we go. We did spray some rust penetrant on that. And there it is. I'm going to work that a little bit, and then we should be able to pop that off. There it is. Your next step is to go ahead and clean the ball studs here. We're going to use some spray solvent because, well, ours is nasty. Use a shop rag, whatever you got. Make sure that is clean. Clean, clean, clean. Go ahead and do the same to the top. Now the replacement units use a little locking clip on here. It's not like the horseshoe clip that we just pried off with the flathead screwdriver. These here use a metal spring clip. So there's going to be a little loop on one end and it runs around the back and then it goes up into a hole and out the top, and it actually locks it onto the post. So what we're going to do is we're going to push in on one side. It's going to unlock it. You can see it comes off, then slide it down. Hold on to this here. Next thing we're going to do is apply a little bit of silicone paste to the inside of that joint and then install it. I'm going to apply some silicone paste to this ball as well. And go ahead and pop that on. There it is. Now I'm going to swing this up and I can find the hole right here for the pin. Feed that through. Then I'm going to snap this over. That should lock it in. Let's go ahead and do the same to the bottom. Remove that little clip, slide the pin out. I'm going to put some silicone paste inside that socket and then put some on the ball stud. I'm going to go ahead and line this up. You might have to lift up on the hatch just a tiny bit. Pop that on. Now our pin will go on the back side here. Then spring that clip around and it's locked in. Give that a little tug. This side is installed. You now want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.